My video is about getting rid of the fake survey alerts related to the site Caphiresite.live. Some people may see these pretty strange pop-ups to attack their Google Chrome and other browsers. Caphiresite.live tries to mislead people and to make them forced to participate in a fake survey. But the real purpose of this survey is to trick people into actually sharing their personal data. We strongly urge you not to do that, not to share any of your personal details through such fake surveys. Don't ever trust them. If you share this personal data, your information may be granted to third parties illegally. So just leave this page. And we also recommend that you investigate your device with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then after it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching the system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.